YouTube, how are ya? I thought I'd show you my Razor Crazy cart that I've done an Overvolt conversion to before I ripped the battery out to do it my son's Razor MX350 and show you how the thing performs now with the Overvolt. So I believe it's a first gen Crazy cart. It's the plastic frame, doesn't have the steel structure around the outside, all a little bit flimsy. It's got a smaller motor. It's just a hub motor, unlike the other ones, which I think chain drive. Basically, the main change was this thing came with dead batteries. So in here, I've 3D printed this case to house a hoverboard battery, the 36 volt 4 amp hour. Gives a fair bit of poke, just to keep track of voltage so we don't over discharge it as well. I've put a voltmeter, just 3D printed a little shroud for that, and case forms a semi-safe seat for the kids to sit on when I take them for a ride. Otherwise, it's pretty much just bog stock. Tyres are surviving. This thing will probably get flogged and end up dying, but it's a bit of fun for now anyway. And yeah, she goes like the clappers. She's definitely louder and faster than the 24 volt lithium, and makes for bloody good fun, especially paved concrete car parks, stuff like that.